What's up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can create a group chat on Snapchat. Let's get started right now. What you want to do guys, you want to open your Snapchat. As you can see here guys, you want to click on messaging. As you can see messaging at the very bottom left, you want to click on messaging, this messaging button here, as you can see. Now after that guys, you want to click on these three little dots in the top right corner. As you can see, three little dots in the top right corner. After that, you want to click on a new chat. After you click on new chat, you want to just click on a new group. As you can see in the top, it says here a new group. Chat with up to 100 friends. You can create a group chat with 100 friends if you want, but you can create it with any amount of friends that you want. Click on a new group chat. Now you have to enter the name of your group chat here. In the top it says here a new group chat name. Click it and click you can select anything. You can name the group chat as you want. I named it business. Now after that, you want to add the people that you want to add to your group chat. You will find all the list of friends that you have. I will add, for example, this one and this one and this one, and I'm going to click on chat with group, as you can see at the bottom, and you want to click on OK. And that's how you can create group chat. But you have to keep in mind that you can only create group chat with people who have added you as a friend on their Snapchat. So I don't have anyone who has added me as a friend on Snapchat. So that's exactly how you can create a group chat on Snapchat. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.